Hello aspiring website creators. In today's video we will show you how to create your very own WordPress website, and the best part, it's absolutely free. Whether you are starting a blog, showcasing your portfolio, or are launching a small business, this step-by-step guide will have your website up and running in no time. Let's get started. First of all, the first step is to choosing a reliable hosting platform for your free website. We will explore the popular option and select a perfect platform that suits your needs. First of all, you search on the search bar is Infinity free hosting. Next, I will walk you through the process of signing up for the chosen hosting platform and selecting a domain name that represents your website. Don't worry, I will share some tips to choose an engaging, memorable domain. First of all, signing up for Infinity Free. Put email address and password and click on sign up. Click on save changes and confirm your email from Gmail. Click on verify email address. Finally, you are logged in Infinity Free website. Now that you have your website, hosting platform and domain ready, it's time to install WordPress. I will guide you through the installation process, which is quick and straightforward even for beginners. Click on create account. Write your subdomain in subdomain section. I selected Zen Skills Blog. Zanskillblog.infinityfreeapp.com. It's your subdomain. Check availability. Enter your account password, which is unique password between 8 and 15 character letters and number only. I enter the password here and click on create account. It can take up to 42 hours for the new domain to be visible everywhere due to DNS caching. Click on finish. Finally, you are in control panel, where you can see your username, passwords, website IP, and your label. Click on control panel. Here you can see a notice and click on I approve. The panel will be loaded in a few seconds. Next step, I downloaded a WordPress. Find the Software Always app installer. Click on this software on a new tab. Click on WordPress to install now. Enter your admin username. From here, this is a free theme. Which one you like? Here you can. This may take 3 to 4 minutes. Please don't leave the page until the progress bar reaches 200%. WordPress has been successfully installed. Click on this URL on the new tab. Finally, you can reach on the dashboard of zanskillblog.infinityfreeapp.com. WordPress website created as a default pages like about page, blog page, and contact page, and as a home page, front page. Simply Now let's fill your website with compelling content and start blogging. I will provide you with the tips on creating engaging blog posts, formatting your content and using categories tag to organize your blog. I will show how to add headlines and many more. Click on add new post. Let's give a title and paste the explanation like that and click on publish. You can also add a categories tags and many more other. I give you a link in the description of YouTube channel to how to create a post and detail and how to create a page in detail. Many more links are in the description. You have just created your own free WordPress website from scratch. With the right customized plugins and engaging content, your website is ready to make an impact online. Keep exploring and learning and watch your website thrives. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave any question or comment below. Happy website building!